1. Which of the following represents the symbol of species that contain 18 electrons, 16 protons and 16 neutrons respectively? Answer C. S raised to 2 minus. 2. Which of the following has the highest value of electronegativity? Answer B. F. 3. The hybridized state of carbon in C2H4 is? Answer sp2. 4. In the following question, a statement of assertion followed by a statement of reason is given. Assertion: a liquid crystallizes into a solid and is accompanied by decrease in entropy. Reason: in crystals, molecules organize in an ordered manner. Choose the correct option out of the choices given below. Answer 1. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 5. What will be the conjugate base for the bronzed acid HF? Answer F-, fluoride ion. 6. The following data are obtained when dinitrogen and dioxygen react together to form different compounds. Which law of chemical combination is obeyed by the above experimental data? Write its statement. Answer: Law of multiple proportion. It states that if two elements can combine to form more than one compound, the different masses of one of the elements that combine with their fixed mass of the other element are in a simple whole number ratio. 7. The threshold frequency V0 for a metal is 7.0 into 10 raised to 14 s raised to minus 1. Calculate the kinetic energy of an electron emitted when radiation of frequency V is equal to 1.0 into 10 raised to 15 s raised to minus 1 hits the metal. Answer: here, threshold frequency V0 is equal to 7.0 into 10 raised to 14 s raised to minus 1 and frequency of radiation V is equal to 1.0 into 10 raised to 15 s raised to minus 1. Kinetic energy of emitted electron is equal to Hv minus Hv0 is equal to H into V minus V0 equal 6.626 into 10 raised to 34 into 1.0 into 10 raised to 15 minus 7.0 into 10 raised to 14 equal 19.878 into 10 raised to 20. 8. 1. State modern periodic law. Answer: modern periodic law states that the properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. 2. Write the IUPAC name of the element with Z is equal to 109. Answer: unilenium or meitnerium. 9. Write any two differences between sigma and pi bonds. Answer: sigma bond, pi bond. It is formed by axial overlapping of atomic orbitals. Pi bond is formed by lateral overlapping of atomic orbitals. It is present both in single bonds and in multiple bonds. Pi bond is present only in multiple bonds. Sigma bond, the extent of overlapping is greater. Pi bond, the extent of overlapping is lesser compared to sigma bond. Sigma bond have independent existence. Pi bond is always present along with sigma bond. Sigma bond are stronger bonds. Pi bonds are weaker compared to sigma bond. Only one sigma bond is formed between two atoms. More than one pi bond can be formed between two atoms. Sigma bonds are symmetrical about the bond axis. Pi bonds are not symmetrical about the bond axis. Write any two differences. 10. Explain intermolecular hydrogen bonding with the help of suitable examples. Answer: intermolecular hydrogen bonding is a hydrogen bond formed by hydrogen atom of one molecule and the electronegative atom of another molecule of the same or different compound. Example: hydrogen bonding in HF. 11. Match the following. Answer: 1. Adiabatic process. D. No transfer of heat. 2. Free expansion. E. P extension is equal to 0. 3. H is equal to Q. Answer B. At constant temperature. 4. Intensive property. A. Specific heat capacity. 12. For the following equilibrium, Kc is equal to 6.3 into 10 raised to 14 at 1000 K. Both the forward and reverse reaction in the equilibrium are elementary bimolecular reactions. What is Kc for the reverse reaction? Answer: here Kc is equal to 6.3 into 10 raised to 14. For reverse reaction, Kc is equal to 1 by 6.3 into 10 raised to 14 equal 1.58 into 10 raised to minus 15. 13. The concentration of hydrogen ion in a sample of soft drink is 3.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 m. What is its pH? Answer here H plus is equal to 3.8 into 10 raised to minus 3. pH is equal to minus log H plus is equal to minus log into 3.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to 2.42. 14. Identify the oxidant and reductant in the following reaction. Answer. Oxidant is equal to H2, reductant is equal to Na. 15. What are disproportionation reaction? Justify that the following reaction is a disproportionation reaction. Answer. It is a type of redox reaction in which an element in one oxidation state is simultaneously oxidized and reduced. The oxygen in the reactant H2O2 is in -1 oxidation state and it is increased to 0 oxidation state in O2 and decreased to -2 oxidation state in H2O. That is, oxygen is simultaneously oxidized and reduced. So, it is a disproportionation reaction.